How do I use vinegar to shine my tile floors?
In this video, we'll be showing you how to use vinegar to shine your tile floors. Vinegar is an affordable and eco-friendly cleaning solution that can leave your floors looking brand new.
What materials do I need?
Before we start, gather the following items. 1. White distilled vinegar. 2. Warm water. 3. Bucket. 4. Mop or microfiber cloth. 5. Soft towel or dry mop.
How do I prepare the vinegar solution?
To create the vinegar solution, follow these simple steps. 1. Mix 1 part white distilled vinegar with 2 parts warm water in a bucket. 2. For extra cleaning power, you can add a few drops of dish soap to the solution.
How do I clean my tile floors with vinegar?
Now that you have your vinegar solution ready, follow these steps to clean your tile floors. 1. Sweep or vacuum your floors to remove any loose dirt and debris. 2. Dip your mop or microfiber cloth into the vinegar solution, making sure to wring it out well to avoid soaking your floors. 3. Mop or wipe the floors, working in small sections and moving in a systematic pattern to ensure you cover the entire area. 4. Allow the floors to air dry or use a soft towel or dry mop to speed up the process.
Are there any precautions I should take?
Here are some precautions to keep in mind when using vinegar to clean your tile floors. 1. Test a small, inconspicuous area of your floor first to ensure the vinegar solution does not cause any discoloration or damage. 2. Avoid using vinegar on marble, limestone, or travertine tile floors, as the acidity can damage these surfaces. 3. Keep the area well ventilated to prevent the strong vinegar smell from lingering. Vinegar is a versatile and budget-friendly cleaning solution that can leave your tile floors shining like new. With just a few simple steps, you can have sparkling clean floors in no time.